Hello everyone, this video is all about the top most expensive houses on this planet. If you guys seem to like this video, then please be supportive enough to give a like and please subscribe my channel for more such content. Number 5. The Odeon Tower Penthouse. At 170 meters high with an estimated value of $330 million or 2500 crore rupees, this tower is right up there with the most expensive houses in the world. It is even believed to be one of the 10 highest buildings of the country. Guys, this tower was designed by an architect named Alexander and developed by Grupe Mazzucato. The penthouse is spread across 49 different floors, obviously with an elevator. If that's not enough, how about a private yacht style into a 360-degree view infinity pool? Currently, it has got around 250 residents, including 62 for-sale private luxury residents, including 2 sky duplex apartments of 1200 meters square each, and 1 sky penthouse of 3500 meters square over 5 floors. 157 lower floor apartments entered via separate entrance for social housing. It has also got a whopping 10 subterranean levels with 543 parking spaces, restaurant, offices, wellness centers including spa, a fitness center, and the list goes on. If you are a bachelor and you've got the cash, snap this one up when it comes back on the market, as it is one of the most impressive houses ever seen. Number 4. Villa Liquidar. Occupying the 4th spot on our list is Villa Liquidar, also known as the Peninsula of Billionaires, located in France with an estimated value of $450 million, or let us just say 3500 crore rupees. It was built in 1830 and purchased by a king of Belgium in 1904. The property is set approximately on 35 acres garden, and its name is derived from the many cedar trees located throughout its grounds. The house itself is roughly 18,000 square feet and consists of 14 bedrooms. It also holds an Olympic-sized swimming pool and a large stable big enough for 30 horses. Inside, you will find crystal chandelier, gold woodwork, 19th century oil paintings, and a wood panel library holding somewhat around 3,000 books. Number 3. Villa Leopolda. Villa Leopolda is the third most expensive house in the world with an estimated value of $750 million or 5,700 crore rupees, owned by the widow Lily Safra of Lebanese Brazilian banker Edmond Safra. It is located in the France Alps Maritime department of its Côte region and occupies approximately 50 acres. It has 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, a commercial greenhouse, helipad, outdoor kitchen, and one of the nicest swimming pools you will ever see. The property is famous in itself as it was the setting for many famous movies including Alfred Hitchcock's 1955 film, namely To Catch a Thief, used as the Lermontov's villa in the movie The Red Shoes, and the list goes on. The house name comes from its original owner, King Leopold, and was redesigned in the 1920s by American architect Ogden Codman Jr. Number 2. Antille. This building named after the mythical island Antille with an estimated value of $2 billion or 15,200 crore rupees. Antille holds the position for the second most expensive house on the planet, located in Mumbai, India. It was designed and constructed by Chicago-based architecture firm Bergen General and hospitality design firm Hertz Bender Associates. The property was built for Mukesh Ambani, the chairman and managing director of Reliance Industries Limited, a Fortune Global 500 company and India's richest man. The 400,000 square foot building is positioned in Mumbai's Kumbhala Hill neighborhood and stands at an impressive 27 stories high. It has also been built to withstand an entire earthquake of magnitude 8 on Richter scale. Inside the house you'll find 6 floors that are purely devoted to a 168-car storage garage, a service station for the cars, a temple, and an 80-seated movie theatre and 9 elevators. It also has a health spa, 3 helipads, a salon, a ballroom, a yoga studio, an ice cream room, and multiple cinemas. So when all that is said and done, Antilla reportedly requires a staff of at least 600 to keep things running smoothly. Number 1. The Buckingham Palace. Coming in at number 1 on our list and claiming the title of the most expensive house in the world is Buckingham Palace, with an estimated worth of around $2.9 billion, that is 22,000 crore rupees. The palace is owned by the British royal family and is one of a number of lavish properties in their portfolio. It is located in the city of Westminster, London, and comprises of 775 whopping rooms, 78 bathrooms, 92 offices, and 19 staterooms. It has been the official residence of the monarchy since 1873. In terms of size, the palace checks in at approximately 828,000 square feet, and the garden alone is 40 acres. However, despite its impressive size and taking the title of the most expensive house in the world, it is still not the largest palace in the world. It is estimated that if the palace was to be put up for sale, it would be somewhere in the region of $2.9 billion. But it is obviously highly unlikely to ever happen. That's all with the video, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment your views. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more such content. Thank you so much for watching.